Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me again. So today guys, we will be doing a juicing 101 for beginners. We need apples and carrots. The ratio is 2 carrots into 4 apples. This is easy to do recipe, and let's go ahead and start making our fresh apple carrot juice. This juice is a fresh, healthy, delicious and nutritious. This is also an energy booster, good for the skin, good for the eyes, weight loss, and overall health benefits. You can also do this juice as easy as 5 minutes or less depending on the amount of fruits you put into your juicer. For the best result, you can take this drink or juice with an empty stomach early in the morning. 1 hour after consuming the drink, you can take your regular breakfast. There you go guys. This is the fresh juice we just created today. You can also try this at home and share your thoughts and comment down below. Thanks for watching.